Hey guys, Windows 11 includes a built-in VPN client that lets you connect securely to a private network without installing extra software. Setting and activating the VPN manually is easy once you have your VPN provider's details ready. Here's how to activate the Windows 11 built-in VPN step by step. Click the Start button and select the Settings gear icon or search for Settings. Now, you can also press Windows key and I and this will open up Settings directly. In Settings, click on Network and Internet. Now, this section manages all your network connection. Here, you'll have to choose VPN. Now, this opens the built-in VPN client interface where you can add and manage VPN connections. Click Add VPN option just right here. A form will appear for you to enter your VPN details. Now, simply enter the VPN connection details. Select Windows from the drop-down that is built in. Enter a custom name for your VPN connection. You can add anything you want. Now, server name or address, you'll have to enter the VPN's server address provided by your VPN service. Now, choose the VPN protocol that is usually L2TP, IPsec or IKEv2. Now, after choosing VPN type, choose the type or sign-in info. Make sure that you have entered all the fields correctly and click on Save option. This will be added to the new VPN connection in your list. Here, back in the VPN settings screen, click your newly added VPN connection, then click Connect and enter your username and password if prompted. Once connected, the status will show connected and a VPN icon will appear in your taskbar. Now, you're securely connected through the Windows 11 built-in VPN client. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.